Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. I want to show you how you can fix a weak flushing toilet. This is our toilet upstairs. I want to show you what happens when you just press the lever down. Just kind of stays and sits in the bowl, doesn't really do anything. And so today I want to show you a few easy fixes on how you can fix this and not have to worry about this problem anymore. So let's go ahead and jump in. For fix number one, this is your fill valve. One of the things you can do is just adjust this little adjustment tool right here. This is your kind of fine adjustment tool. You can spin it with your hand if you can, or if you have a screwdriver, you can also adjust it with your screwdriver as well. But what that does is just kind of adjust the water level in here. And so if your water level is low, that's one thing you can try for fix number one. So for easy fix number two, I do want to show you a couple options. Number one, you want to make sure that your flapper is tight. So in this option right here, you want to make sure that this chain is tight to the little lever right here when you flush. It could be loose, and if it is, you can just move this little end piece down the chain a few times, and that would help. But my toilet is a Mansfield, so it has a little bit different mechanism. This is your flapper or your plunger right here. And it's the same thing. You want to make sure this is good to go. Make sure everything is good when you flush this. They also make larger items like this, and I'll leave a link for that in the description. That could be your problem. It grabs more water when it goes down and helps you flush. So check that out. That could be easy fix number two. So let's go ahead and dive into easy fix number three. So for fix number three, you're actually going to adjust this fill valve height. And so what you're going to need to do is make sure you get all the water out of here. You can do that with a sponge or with a shop vac after you flush the toilet. Also, you'll make sure the water is turned off down here. Turn the water off, have a towel under there just to catch any excess water, and then also unplug all of these locks and things right here from the bottom of the toilet, and then I'll show you what to do next. So once you've taken this fill valve out and you've got all the water and everything situated, what you'll do is you'll take this out and you can adjust the height of this fill valve. I had to adjust it by spinning. There's different ways to adjust it. You have to look at yours, but again, mine, I had to take it off and spin it off and get it the right height. And so we're gonna put it back in and then check it out. So for here, you can go ahead and put your fill valve back in. Go ahead and tighten everything up down here with all your nuts, and then you can turn your water back on and let it fill back up, and then let's see if it worked. So here is the moment of truth. You can go ahead and let your water fill back up, and then let's see if it worked. And there you go. Worked like a charm. So that was the problem there. Just wasn't enough water in the bowl for mine, and I had to adjust this level right there. Well, if this video was helpful for you, I'd love to know that. You can like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also love to know in the comments which one of these options was the culprit for you. And then lastly, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.